talaq, they say talaq
Talaq,
and get miserable.
हाँ.
What's your take on that?
No, that is actually wrong because see the mind when it's angry, you take a decision, but after you cool down, the decision will be different for the same thing. So that gives some space so that a man thinks over it and then reacts. If it's really worth taking, then only he will take. But by talak is something which is emotional at that moment. So that is also wrong, I feel.
3 तलाक वाला मसला भी खत्म हो जाएगा जब यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड लागू हो जाएगा और
नहीं,
उन
वो
मुस्लिम
तो-
महिलाओं को कितना फायदा होगा इस बात का, क्योंकि जब हम यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड की बात करते हैं तो एक ही लॉ हो गया, तो मतलब आपको एक ही शादी अलाउड है।
नहीं,
उससे कितना फायदा होगा?
ये तो मुझे अब तक आश्चर्य, मैं ईमानदारी से बोलूँ ना तो मुझे अब तक आश्चर्य हो रहा है कि यहाँ पे जो महिलाएं हैं ना, खास करके मुस्लिम महिलाएं, वो इस बात का विरोध क्यों नहीं करें कि ये 3 तलाक वाला मुद्दा है। एक्चुअली ना अगर दूसरा देश होता ना तो लाखों आदमी जो है सो रोड पे आ जाते कि नहीं भाई ये 3 तलाक तो होगा ही नहीं, संभव ही नहीं है, होना ही नहीं चाहिए। जब ये सामान है, मैं भी आपके बराबर हूँ तो ये मुद्दा होना ही नहीं चाहिए, कुछ होना ही नहीं चाहिए ऐसा। हाँ, मुझे इस बात के लिए अभी तक आश्चर्य हो रहा है कि ये देश जहाँ पे इस्मत चुगताई जैसी राइटर्स हुई हैं आज से 50-60 साल पहले, अभी तक जो है सो मुस्लिम महिलाएं चुप बैठी हुई हैं और वो कुछ आवाज़ नहीं उठा रही हैं।
जैसे शादी के लिए जो 3 तलाक उन लोग को मंजूर है, मगर सबके लिए जो इक्वलिटी जब भेदभाव नहीं रहना चाहिए, सेम टू सेम रहेगा तो अच्छा रहेगा। मतलब जो उसमें झगड़ा वगैरह कुछ नहीं हो सकता है। जो समाज है समाज वो बराबर रिसर्च चल पाएगा अगर जो इन लोग को भी एक ही शादी अलाउड हो गया।
No, it's according to the people how they want it to be.
मतलब you disagree with it?
I don't disagree or agree. It's upon people how they want to carry it. It's their wish. So
Actually, I wouldn't comment on anyone's religion or anyone's creed or caste, but it depends on people to people. We can't force everyone to follow what they want and what the country wants to. I just feel कि जिसे जो अच्छा लगता है वो करे. And yeah, single code is okay with me. I have no issues with that, and I won't comment on anyone's religion as of now.
See, that is a personal religious thing. So if it's not allowed in Hindus, I am okay with it. If it's allowed in Muslims, it's okay. It's their choice. It's their religion. You should not compare two religions. If it's allowed in some religion, let it be there. Why are you like comparing that Hindus may, why isn't it allowed and why is it allowed in Muslims? So it's all religious thing. Why you are not supposed to compare two religions.
नहीं, I mean to say कि मतलब कि सबको एक तरीके से चलना चाहिए ना।
Yeah, everybody should have one way, but you cannot see if today I am following a particular thing. If tomorrow you ask me to change my things and go for another thing, it will be a problem for me. So if that has been the tradition, see, frankly for me, religion should not have been existed from the very starting. But if it's existing and it's there in the real world, then I believe like if I am a Hindu, I'm following it. So let the Muslims follow what their religion says. It's okay. Why should I follow them or why should they follow my religion?
So I'm a Sardani. So for me, one marriage is I think the best. But Muslims में है culture, तो उनमें allowed है.
लॉ जो है उसको चेंज होना चाहिए।
I think it depends on your religion. Each to its own, as they say. So whatever people want, they should. But हाँ, equal laws होने चाहिए, according to me. Yeah.
So like we are nobody to comment on that. They can do whatever they want. You want to marry 5 times, you marry. Who are we to serve them? Like that way.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. See, it depends on the person. If the person is okay with it, हाँ होना चाहिए obviously. हिंदू मुस्लिम ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. हाँ.
The thing is, religion is not above the constitution.
Exactly.
The laws what have been made should be followed by each and every individual.
Yeah,
in the country.
so basically our constitution and the entire law system is founded on the rule of law. So you cannot have different laws, like everyone should be treated equally.
Obviously, it is respecting women. There should be only one marriage allowed. That's perfect. The law is coming up very nice and it's good for everyone. It will empower women. It's good.
Ideally तो नहीं होना चाहिए. 2-3 शादी नहीं होना चाहिए. पर अब किसी के रिलीजन में चलता है तो हम क्या बोल सकते हैं.
I think that should be there probably because, but again some religions have their own priorities also. Like you were saying कि like you see Muslims, they want to marry twice or thrice. They are allowed to do that in religion, but again in some religion it is not allowed. So if you even like start something like that, then maybe others may have problem with it. Some are cool with it. So
what's your opinion? कि मतलब होना चाहिए ऐसा कि नहीं होना चाहिए?
I think it should be there, but I am not the only one who decides, no, here, because there are so many religions again here. India being the most diverse country, you know, like, so if you are in US or something, there usually Christianity is the majority there. So there you can maybe follow that, but in India it's very difficult to implement it. I feel it should be there, but yeah.
Same, I think there should be a civil code, but still on other religions won't agree to this. If Hindus agree, Muslims want, Muslims agree, Christians want. So it's like impossible in India to do the same. It should be there. It should be there.
The problem is India is कि if you start something like this, what will happen is सबसे पहले कि getting the gist of it कि what is the idea behind the civil code, they won't know that or they won't do that. उससे पहले लड़ना चालू हो जाएंगे कि नहीं एक रिलीजन खड़ा हो जाएगा नहीं होना चाहिए, एक हो जाएगा होना चाहिए, तो वो कर करके कभी होने नहीं वाला, दैट्स द प्रॉब्लम. वरना अगर कोई एक चाहता है तो फिर सब लोग यूनाइट हो जाते तो प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं होता.
It's a uniform civil code which means, for example, if you are Hindu, you are Muslim or Christian, you have to follow one law, especially for the religion thing. There are, for example, in Muslim, they are allowed to do 3 marriages or 4 marriages, but they won't be allowed. The law for religion will be one. What's your take on that?
No, I don't think so. With the kind of secular community we are living in, I don't think so any kind of law enforcement would make any difference. So it's to each is his own. I think that's the whole thing. And religion is a very personal thing. No law can change, or no dress code or a uniformity can change that thing.
I mean, as she said, I don't know if the law enforcement will actually change anything, but at some point, like, there might be some uniformity that helps, or there might be something that might not help. But only after it comes into play, we know, I guess.
For more news and gossips, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.